Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch active and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall apps on this device. Let's start by opening the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. Now let's select the apps. Here let's scroll down and tap on the Manage Apps. Now we can uninstall apps by tapping on them, for example timer, and tapping uninstall. Then tapping uninstall again to confirm. You can also hide the apps right here by tapping the minus sign at the bottom. Oh, not the bottom, but next to the app, I mean, right here. And it's gonna appear in the hidden apps menu. You can also unhide it by tapping the plus. And after you're done, tap save to save your settings. And that's how you uninstall the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.